this to yourself, Jake. Too tight, Jake. You gotta get out. You're gonna die in a tiny space, Jake. All right, Jake.
After you!
You gotta get out. Oh, moving in, Jake. Stuck. What's moving in? It's tight, Jake. I'm scared. I can hear you. I can hear you. What? I can hear you. I'm onto you.
Who takes care of the good times, Jake?
We're a team.
We're best pals, Jake.
You want to get rid of me?
You know life without me?
You don't know life without me.
Do you know life without me? No, because it doesn't exist.
Do they talk about me, Jake?
No, because I don't exist. Tell all your
you,
friends
protect
about me
you,
then, Jake.
I protect you, and I control you. I say do, you obey. If I say you're scared...
You're scared!
Been listening to the other side, haven't you, Jake? Listening to people that want to hurt you, Jake.
New people.
No!
Not old friends like me.
People you shouldn't trust.
Not me. I've been your friend forever, since the beginning. Get rid of them, Jake.
Forever.
They're the enemy.
Not me.
They're new. I'm old. I say they go. I say you do.
You're weak without me. Weak. It's us against them, Jake. It's us against them. I'm coming to get you.
You want to get rid of me, Jake? You want to make an enemy out of me? You want to get rid of me, do ya? Do ya? You want to get rid of me? Me. Boom. Ha. Still here, Jake. How long have I looked after you?
You can't win this one without me. Oh, no. You know why? I am you. You ain't me.
The greatest con that he ever pulled was making you believe that he is you.
You ain't me.
I am you!
You're not me.
Come on! Your best fucking friend! I am you!
You don't control me. I control you.